Hello friends, today we are talking about Motorola's upcoming Moto G series mobile. 3 mobiles are going to be introduced in this G series. They are Moto G13, Moto E13, and Moto G23. In this we will see the specifications and review of Moto G23 mobile. If you are new to our channel before going to video, then please subscribe the channel, then you can watch comparison videos and upcoming mobile from our channel. Now let's get into the video. The Motorola G23 is an upcoming budget-friendly smartphone that offers a sleek and modern design. The device features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a resolution of 720 x 1600 pixels, which provides vibrant and clear visuals. The device runs on the Android 13 operating system and is powered by a MediaTek Helio G85 chipset. The device comes with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB and 128 GB of internal storage, which can be further expanded via a micro SD card. The camera setup on the device includes a triple-lens rear camera consisting of a 50-megapixel main lens, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel macro sensor. The device also comes with a 16-megapixel front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. The device is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery that offers a decent battery life and supports 30 watts charging. The device comes in 3 color variants: blue, gray, and white. The Motorola G23 is priced at around €200, which makes it a great value for money device for those looking for a budget-friendly smartphone with decent specs. Overall, the Motorola G23 is a solid budget-friendly smartphone that offers a sleek design, good display, decent performance, and a decent camera setup. The device is well suited for those looking for a reliable smartphone that offers a good balance of features and price. Share your thoughts about this mobile in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in another new video. Until then, ta-ta, bye-bye.